Is it possible to add extensions to Chrome on iPhone?
Hey there! Welcome to today's video. In this video, we'll be discussing whether it's possible to add extensions to Chrome on an iPhone. Extensions are a great way to enhance your browsing experience by adding extra functionality to your browser. So, let's dive in and find out if it's possible to add extensions to Chrome on your iPhone.
Can you install Chrome extensions on iPhone?
When it comes to Chrome on the iPhone, the short answer is no. You cannot directly add extensions to Chrome on your iPhone. Unlike the desktop version of Chrome, which allows you to install various extensions, the iOS version of Chrome does not support the installation of extensions.
Why can't you add extensions to Chrome on iPhone?
The reason behind this limitation is Apple's iOS ecosystem and the restrictions it imposes on third-party apps. Apple has a more closed ecosystem compared to other platforms, and it places certain limitations on what developers can do with their apps. As a result, browsers like Chrome on iPhone do not have access to the necessary APIs or system-level permissions required to enable extension functionality.
Are there alternative options for extensions on iPhone?
While you can't directly add extensions to Chrome on your iPhone, there are alternative options you can explore to enhance your browsing experience. One of these options is to utilize the Share feature in Chrome. When you come across a web page or content you want to extend or interact with, you can use the Share feature to send it to other apps that support extensions. Some popular apps that offer extensions for iOS include Pocket, Evernote, and OneNote. These apps allow you to save articles, take notes, and perform other tasks related to the web content you're viewing. To sum it up, unfortunately, you cannot add extensions directly to Chrome on your iPhone. However, you can explore alternative options like utilizing the Share feature to send web content to other apps that support extensions. This way, you can still extend your browsing experience and make the most out of Chrome on your iPhone. That's it for today's video. I hope you found this information helpful. If you have any more questions or suggestions for future videos, please let me know in the comments below. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time.